As part of the clarification of doubts on the COVID-19 virus and its effects, the Secretary of the Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Government of Meghalaya, Matsudar War, had organized a media sensitization program on the 15th of July 2021 in the presence of the Director of the IPR, Batlang Solia, doctors of the Health Department, Government of Meghalaya, and members of the press fraternity. During the program, Dr. Andreas Lyngdoh urged upon the public to not be apprehensive about visiting a hospital for any kind of health checkup, as strict measures have been taken to ensure that patients are initially tested for COVID-19, and if they are found to be negative, they are admitted into a separate ward that are without no COVID-positive patients. As far as vaccination is concerned, Dr. Lyngdoh encouraged the public to come forward and get the vaccination as a protection against the virus, but no individual should be forced to do so, he added. Dr. Kharshi Yeng, while addressing the media, said that there's no other way out of the pandemic but through vaccination. She also informed that till date, the percentage of individuals who had received their second dose of the vaccine is only 14%, which is much below the expected coverage rate.